Despite being known as the startup capital of the world, it has also been named the vegan capital and also arguably the dog capital of the world. At the moment, I'm living here and I'm so excited to show you all what it's like to be here right now at this time. So right here is my building. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've probably seen it before. The cost of living here in Tel Aviv is pretty high, especially here in the central part. I'm living in the central part of Tel Aviv, so yes, prices are gonna be higher. I probably pay about $800 US a month, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but actually compared to the salaries here, it is a lot. Israel is known as the 8th most expensive country in the world to live in. That's above Hong Kong. So it's not just rent that's high here in Tel Aviv, it's also food and leisure activities. They're more expensive. And 40 shekels, for example, in Jerusalem will get you a lot further than 40 shekels here in Tel Aviv, just because the salaries are different and that's how it is. But now I'm ready to go take you around a tour of this amazing city and show you a little bit of my reality here in Tel Aviv, Israel. I'm gonna give you all a little peek at the weather. Tel Aviv, it is actually not nearly as hot as it normally is. Just a few days ago, it was 100 degrees, no clouds, but today it's pretty cloudy. For those of you who are not American, I will switch this to Celsius. There we go, so in Celsius, that's 26 degrees. Now you know. So today is Shabbat, so all these stores are closed because it's Sabbath. And here in Tel Aviv, a lot of things closed, but certainly not everything. Like in Jerusalem, almost everything closes. But here in Tel Aviv, a lot of stores still do stay open, but not all of them. It's funny, on the weekends, you can't really go shopping like you would think you can. You really have to get your shopping done during the week. And since most everything is closed, what do people do? Well, they enjoy nature, they go to the beach. So that is our next destination. See, scooter culture here in Israel is huge. Everyone has scooters around here, and I would take one to get to the beach, but actually you have to have an Israeli license for that, so. Okay, we have made it to the beach, and this is what you've all been waiting for. Everyone's been asking me about it. Hi! Look how blue the sky is. It is so blue. This is the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. The beaches are pristine, they're clean, they're packed, but somehow they manage to stay unlittered. And like I said, because it's Sabbath, people are out here, they're not working, they're just relaxing, playing sports, all of that good stuff. Wow, look at those waves. Hi, ma kore? What's your name?
Matan.
Matan? Ani India. Do I have corona?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
What do you do here? What is your job?
I just got from the army.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You're 22? Oh, me too! Yeah! Is it normal for people your age to be leaving the army at this time?
Yeah, of course. This is like the time that anyone in 21 years old or 22 getting out from the army and now looking for like doing a trip maybe, or maybe just settle down and looking for a job for life.
Is this game with the ping pong very Israeli?
Yeah, it's a great game. We're in Israel and we really love this game. We play a lot, you know. Sometimes people come in here for like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning, and play until 5 afternoon.
Thank you for sharing your time with me. Thank you. I'll see you. מה קורה?
My name is Elior.
אליאור, נעים מאוד. אתם מדברים אנגלית? ככה, אני מדברת קצת עברית.
פיצה פפרוני.
אתם רוצים פיצה פפרוני? בן כמה אתם?
אני בן 15.
יאללה. We're taking a selfie right now. אני צריכה ללכת. נעים מאוד. Bye. Okay, wow, that was a lot at the beach, but I got to practice my Hebrew, so I'm super happy. Sorry you had experienced my not so great Hebrew, but I'm getting there, I'm practicing. Now I'm so hungry, and like I said, Tel Aviv is actually known as the vegan capital of the world, so I'm gonna take you to a restaurant that people have been telling me all about since I've gotten here, and I'm gonna experience with you guys for the first time. All right, I am coming up on the restaurant. It is called Goodness because there's all this vegan goodness here. All right, here's the menu. Okay, so I think I'm going to get the oyster and portobello nuggets. I've heard they're really good. They're supposed to be like chicken nuggets, but obviously no chicken, so let's get this.
What's your name?
My name is India. What's your name?
India?
Yeah, like the country.
I'm
Yeah.
Yaniv.
Yaniv. Are you vegan?
Yes.
Yes?
Like a long time we're vegan.
How many years?
About 9 or 10 maybe.
How many vegans are in Tel Aviv?
I think about 200,000.
This is one of the most popular restaurants, right?
Yes. I used to eat here all the time as a customer. They always said, no, I have to get a job like at a vegan restaurant, and I came here.
I like your shirt. It says peace is progress.
Like the snail is going slow, you know.
Yeah, peace is a journey for sure. Thank you so much for my nuggets. I will come back soon. Bye. And now I'm going to try some of this vegan goodness that Tel Aviv has given me. These are my not so chicken nuggets. They're actually made of portobello mushrooms. So here it is. They definitely have that fried oyster look for sure. Wow, they're really just these nuggets of fried mushrooms, and I love mushrooms, so to me this is amazing. They actually also make this mayonnaise themselves, so I'm gonna just have a little taste. It has this perfect tartness to it, and definitely is distinct from store-bought mayonnaise. You know, I really don't like when people say vegan food is nasty because all the vegan food I've ever had has been amazing. Come, try some.
I wanted to go to the castle.
Try. This is my friend Aurélie.
So what we're going to eat is not chicken.
No.
Wow.
Right?
What is it?
It's a mushroom. They
No.
look, yeah. So now you have proof, not just I like it, but she likes it too. All right, let's go on our next adventure. Woo! So now we're coming up upon a dog park. I want to share a little bit with you about the dog culture in Tel Aviv. Honestly, I probably see more dogs than kids around here. Hi, babies. They're all just playing.
You have this girl over there. She is American, so she maybe can tell you the difference
Oh,
between
which girl?
American dogs and Israeli dogs.
There's a difference between American and Israeli dogs?
I don't know. I didn't met that many American dogs, so
Is it true that people bring their dogs to work here in Tel Aviv?
yeah, of course. Hi, the company.
Wow!
Yeah, people love dogs, and people want like the
Comforts.
comfort. Okay, enjoy.
Well, thank you so much. So now I am coming up upon the LGBTQ community center here in Tel Aviv. A lot of people from all over the Middle East come here to find refuge when they are being persecuted for their sexuality. And here we are.
Tel Aviv is the gay capital of the Middle East, and here in Israel, gay marriages cannot be performed, but they are recognized. So what many people do is they take a short flight to Cyprus and get married there so that their marriage will be recognized here in Israel. And I thought this was important to share just because the LGBT community in the city is very, very strong.
Tel Aviv is a city that's very special. It's in the Middle East, yet it still has that feel of Europe. The crowd in Tel Aviv is very young, so that paired with the beach and all of the culture going on, it makes just for this super unique experience. It's like the Middle East, but not. It's like you get a taste of it while still being in Western society. On one hand, I really like it, but on the other hand, I do like the feeling of being outside of my own comfort zone. So that's when I start to travel to other cities cities to explore that too. Israel is not just Tel Aviv. Israel is many cities, many cultures, many languages, many religions. This is just scratching the surface. I mean, I can't cover everything that's going on in the city in just one video. So if you have any suggestions, let me know, hit me up. You don't know how happy it makes me when I get your comments and your suggestions. So that's it for today. I will see you soon. Bye.